The main goal of the parietal lift technique is to restore normal movement and balance between the parietal bones and the sutures, the joints that connect them to nearby bones like the frontal, forehead, and temporal side bones. To perform this technique, you're going to do an assessment first, just to see how the parietal bones are moving. Then, with the client lying in supine and the therapist seated at the head of the table with both forearms resting, the therapist is then going to place their fingertips on the parietal bones just superior to the parietal squamish sutures. The thumbs are crossed above the sagittal suture, and the therapist presses the thumbs against one another to approximate the fingertips, inducing an internal rotation. While maintaining that pressure, both hands are going to be lifted towards you, creating a traction of the parietal bones until you feel a fullness, more expansion in the area, and external rotation is felt. You then gently release the head and reassess the client. Now, the point of this technique is that it can help relieve head pressure or tightness, it improves cranial circulation and fluid flow, and it can ease tension headaches.